Todd and Julie Chrisley have opened up about how their friends have reacted since their conviction on charges of bank fraud and tax evasion. On a new episode of their Chrisley Confessions podcast, Julie, 49, remarked, "This is a telling time for us as a family of people who have reached out and of people who haven't reached out." Todd, 53, agreed, but added that the couple had also received an overflowing of love and support that far outweighs any negativity, adding, "We're alive and kicking, and we appreciate all the support we have received from everyone." The pair and their children, Savannah, 24, Chase, 26, Grayson, 16 and Chloe, 9, plus Todd's mom, Faye, 78, and now estranged daughter Lindsay, 32, starred in the reality TV show, Chrisley Knows Best. The program, which ran from 2014 to 2021, was described as focused on Atlanta-based self-made multi-millionaire Todd Chrisley, his devoted wife Julie and their 5 children who live a seemingly picture-perfect Southern life with everything money can buy. Some of the money, according to court documents, came from $30 million in personal loans before the family became reality stars. Prosecutors proved the couple obtained the loans by submitting false bank statements, audit reports and financial statements, and used the money to buy luxury cars, designer clothes, real estate and glamorous vacation, according to the Department of Justice. The Chrisleys and their accountant were found guilty of several tax crimes, including attempting to defraud the Internal Revenue Service. Julie was also convicted of wire fraud and obstruction of justice. The accountant, Mark 57, who testified in exchange for immunity, told the court he had not only been a witness to the couple's crimes, but had participated in them as well. He also revealed that he and the reality star had engaged in a year-long affair in the early 2000s when each was married to their respective wives. Mark testified that even though the affair ended, they continued working together until 2012, when Todd reportedly threw his former friend and lover out of his office and threatened to call the police on him. Instead, the accountant told his wife of 34 years about the affair and then turned the Chrisleys into the FBI. They each face up to 30 years behind bars, and will learn their fate on October 6 when they are sentenced. Their attorney released a statement saying they would appeal the verdict. Whether they will remain free pending the outcome of the appeal is not known. In the meantime, Todd said he is relying on a higher power to see them through. "We still hold steadfast in our faith, and we trust that God will do what He does best because God's a miracle worker."